It's all just 3D printing, right? No, 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 it's not. Stop saying that. Stop. This is resin printing. It's very toxic. You need one of these. Okay? I'm doing something very dumb right now. Yes, I know. I'm about to pour it into here. Now that I've taken care of all of the liquid, this is what it looks like. Nice clean vat. Yes, there's little particles, but they'll get printed into the next thing. I know it's not entirely good clean. I'm fine with that. And then there's FDM printing. Okay. Lovely roll of filament right here. Goes down into this machine and gets printed in lines. For the most part, it's safe to breathe around these. What's the difference? Well, FDM is really good at functional prints, meaning I can use them as a tool. Whether it's a hinge, a box, another kind of box, another kind of box, another kind of box, or a box that you can put on something. So what's resin used for? Statues. More statues. More statues. More statues. Did I mention more statues? Did I mention more statues? So please, stop referring to it all as 3D printing. There's a difference. One is deadly. The other one is less deadly.